and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm going to be doing a cleaning video today. I'm going to be tackling my dirty master bedroom. Yes, I am so embarrassed to show you guys how messy this room is. It has definitely been neglected over the last week, so I definitely want to get in here and get everything all cleaned up. So if you're interested in cleaning videos and cleaning motivation, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys, so first I'm going to start by stripping my bed of all of these sheets and everything so that I can get everything removed from the bed and so that I can get everything vacuumed down and add fresh sheets. Next, I'm going to be using my Shark vacuum cleaner, and I'm using the duster attachment on this vacuum cleaner, and I'm just going to dust my bed a little bit, making sure I remove all of the lint and dirt or anything that's on there, just to make sure everything is, all the dust and everything is removed. And I love this vacuum, you guys, because it does have a super long cord and everything, and it's easy to it's easy to remove all the dirt and everything and crumbs, and it comes with like at least 4 or 5 different attachments, so it really works really well. And now I'm just going to go ahead and kind of vacuum my mattress as well, because my little one sometimes sneaks into my bed in here and he always brings in crumbs and crackers and things like that. So I just want to make sure I vacuum everything and make sure I remove any crumbs or dust or dirt or anything like that. Next, I'm just going to use this glass and surface cleaner to clean my mirror up there. I guess I could have cleaned this mirror first, but yeah, so I'm kind of doing it backwards. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and spray this mirror cleaner on here and just give my mirror a good wipe down. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Trina. I do home decor videos as well as some cleaning motivation and shopping hauls and things of that sort. So if you're interested in that kind of content, I would love to have you stay and become part of our family here. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my sheets here to my bed, or add some fresh sheets to the bed. Yes, these sheets are very wrinkled because I have washed them probably about a week ago, and it's been sitting over there in my chair for like the longest, waiting for me to tackle this room and get it cleaned up. So yeah, it's a little bit wrinkled, but I'm not gonna worry about it because you're not gonna see the wrinkles anyway. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you become part of our decorating family here. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn your bell on so you won't miss any of my uploads. And if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back. Okay, next you guys, I'm gonna add my quilt to my bed. I love using a quilt at night, just a little bit more softer and comfortable, and then it's not as heavy as the thick comforter. So I love applying a quilt underneath my comforter because it just makes the bed looks a little extra luxe. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to add my comforter to my bed now. And I love using a white comforter because it just makes everything look so nice and crisp and clean. And right now I'm just kind of removing the tags from it, from the cleaners. And this comforter is so big, you guys, that I had to take it to the cleaners to get it clean and dried because it's too big to fit inside my washer and dryer. And even though it went to the cleaners, it still kind of have some wrinkles in it as well. So I really need to get me a nice handheld steamer so that I'll be able to remove some of these wrinkles from my, not only my bed linen, but also my curtains as well. So if you guys can recommend a nice handheld steamer that is reasonable and works really well, I would appreciate it. Just drop a comment down below. Now I'm just going to add in my everyday sleeping pillows to the back of the bed because I like to put those in the back of the bed. That way they're hidden behind the decorative pillows. So now I'm just going to add my little fluffy pillows bag that I always have on my bed. I got these white pillows from Home Goods, and they're like down-filled, and they're just so super soft and comfortable, and they are absolutely huge, you guys. These are like, I know they're bigger than 24 by 24 because they're absolutely they're very big, but they're very soft and they're durable, so I love using them. Next, I'm just going to add my regular decorative pillows back to my bed as well. I got these pillows from Kirkland's. I don't know if you guys remember my spring bedroom refresh, but these are the same pillows. It's just that it had purple pillow covers on there instead of these gray ones. So the gray ones is the original pillow covers that came with the pillow. So I just ended up adding those back on the pillows as well. That's one thing I like about buying pillows that have a removable pillow cover, because that way you can change it out without having to go and buy a whole new pillow. So I'm just going to add this darker gray colored pillow here to add a little bit of contrast. And again, this one has a removable cover on there as well. So these pillows have floated all throughout my home in different areas because, like I said, I just kind of change out the covers and everything and then use them in other areas of the home. Now I'm just going to use a linen spray on my bed. I love using a fresh linen spray. This is an Egyptian cotton, and I think I got this one from, I think I got it from Kohl's, yeah. But it absolutely smells amazing, and I just love using that because when you get in the bed, it kind of gives this very fresh and comfortable aroma. Now I'm just going to take my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner, and I'm just going to use that and kind of dust everything down, wipe down my lamps and pictures and everything, and just remove all the dust. Next, you guys, I'm going to add a nice little fluffy throw. I love using throws on my bed because it makes the bed look nice and luxe and elegant. So I got this throw from, I believe, Home Goods years ago. It's by the brand DKNY, and it's just so super, super soft, you guys. I love using this throw, and this too has floated throughout my home because it is just so soft, you guys. So I love that it has that contrasting gray and everything in there to kind of bring everything together. So now I'm just going to kind of wipe the other nightstand over here, make sure I get all the dust and everything off of all of the mirror and all of the picture frames as well. Next, I'm just going to, again, use that Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner, and I'm just going to spray down this chest here and make sure I get all the dirt and everything off of it. I said some things I wasn't clear. No, it hurt you, but I still care. No, I miss you laying near. And then you guys know me, every time I clean everything, I always have to kind of switch something around and kind of redecorate or add a little decorative touch to something just to give it a nice little look. Now I'm just gonna take my vacuum cleaner and I'm just gonna vacuum my bench, because sometimes with this tufted material, it does kind of hold crumbs and everything in there, or dust. So I just try to make sure I give it a good vacuum every now and then. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and if you are, please give me a big thumbs up. I hope it's bringing you some cleaning motivation and is motivating you guys to get up and tackle some chores and some things around your own home.
Just you. I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4.
Next, I'm going to try to pick up all of these clothes that's here on the floor. No matter how many baskets we have in our room, in our closet, clothes still end up winding up on the floor for some reason. So I'm just going to try to get all these clothes up off of the floor and put them where they belong. And then I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum the other side of the room. Okay, you guys, so this is what everything is looking like, and everything is so fresh and clean, and yeah, so it feels so good to have a clean bedroom. It's nothing like coming home to a nice, clean, and fresh room. So I hope this video motivated you guys to tackle some cleaning things around your own home. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.